Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Megadeth album is probably one of the most anticipated releases in the thrash metal scene, and this latest offering, The Sick, The Dying, and The Dead, certainly lives up to the hype, delivering a potent blend of aggressive riffs, intricate musicianship, and Dave Mustaine's signature lyrical venom that fans have come to expect and crave. This album is a testament to the band's enduring legacy and their ability to consistently produce high-octane metal that resonates with both longtime followers and new listeners alike, solidifying their place at the forefront of the genre. Number 5. Crazy Dog T-Shirts Bigfoot Graphic Tee. Are you the ultimate hide-and-seek champion? This shirt is perfect for anyone who loves a good laugh and a bit of mystery. Show off your sense of humor with this hilarious Bigfoot graphic. It's a fun way to express your playful side. Embrace your sarcastic side with this uniquely designed tee. It's a statement piece that's sure to get a reaction. Not only is it funny, but it's also incredibly comfortable to wear. Look great and feel great all day long. Looking for a gift that will make someone laugh? This sarcastic tee is an ideal present for friends and family who appreciate a good joke. Channel your inner Bigfoot with this playful and adventurous design. It's perfect for those who like to stand out from the crowd. What we like. This tee offers a unique Bigfoot graphic that's sure to turn heads. Its sarcastic humor makes it a great conversation starter. If you love quirky designs and a good laugh, this is the perfect shirt for you. What people say. The material is incredibly soft and comfortable, the kind of fabric you can wear all day without feeling weighed down or restricted. It has that perfect balance of lightweight breathability and durability, so it feels good while also holding its shape after washing. The fit is flattering without being too tight, and the stitching is solid, which makes it feel more high quality than the price suggests. True to size, soft, no shrink, and color was spot on. Machine wash and dryer. Stretchy, so great movement. Number 4. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Cyber Drone 31111. Get ready for incredible adventures with this versatile building set. You can build a cool cyber drone, a powerful cyber mech, or a speedy cyber scooter. Take to the skies in the cyber drone. It features rotating thrusters, adjustable tail elevators, and a cockpit with an opening windshield for exciting space journeys. Kids aged 6 and up can embark on thrilling space missions. Travel through the cosmos in the drone, or race across the ground with the mech or scooter. Included is a robot minifigure with a cool transparent blue head. It can join your creations to add even more excitement to your action-packed stories and space battles. This set offers endless fun as you can rebuild it into 3 different models. Imagine and create your own unique space adventures again and again. Discover other amazing LEGO Creator 3-in-1 sets like the Sunken Treasure Mission, Race Car Transporter, Superbike, and Surfer Beach House for even more building fun. What we like. This set provides 3 exciting space-themed models in one, offering incredible value and replayability. Kids can build a drone, mech, or scooter for endless adventures. If you're looking for a versatile and imaginative toy that encourages building and storytelling, this is an excellent choice for young space enthusiasts. What people say. It transforms from a drone to a cyber mech or cyber scooter, providing endless fun and creativity. The figure is a very nice inclusion and currently exclusive to this set. I love the space logo on his chest, which is an updated version of the original LEGO space logo. The set comes with ample pieces, so if you don't like any of the 3 designs, you can create your own easily. Number 3. The Sick, The Dying, and The Dead. Prepare yourself for an experience unlike any other. This is not just a game, it's a descent into the darkest corners of survival. You will confront the unimaginable, where every shadow holds a threat and every moment is a fight for survival. The odds are stacked against you. Can you endure the relentless onslaught and emerge victorious? Witness a narrative that pushes the boundaries of human endurance. Survival is not guaranteed. This is the ultimate test of your will and your ability to adapt. Will you succumb, or will you fight? What we like. This album delivers the signature thrash metal sound Megadeth is known for, packed with aggressive riffs and powerful vocals. It's a must-have for fans of the band and the genre. If you crave intense, high-energy metal music with a classic feel, this record is for you. What people say. This is the best Megadeth album since Countdown to Extinction. It's better than Euthanasia, which I loved in spite of myself, by the way. It's as creative as Countdown and even faster in tempo than Rust in Peace. And the sound quality blows away anything earlier. Vocally, though. Vocally, I was truly surprised. Mr. Mustaine put the work in, prepared himself, conditioned himself like an athlete, and it shows. First, there is some interesting and impressive guitar work and drumming going on. We'll Be Back comes to mind immediately for two parts, early on and midway, with some really impressive guitar work. Number 2. Funko Pop rocks Iron Maiden Eddie's Seventh Son. Get ready to rock with this iconic collectible. It features Eddie, the legendary mascot of Iron Maiden, immortalized in Funko Pop style. This particular figure represents the seventh son of a seventh son era, bringing a piece of music history to your collection. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this collectible is built to last. It's an imported piece, ensuring its unique origin. With dimensions of 6.25 by 3.5 by 4.5 inches, it's perfectly sized for any shelf or display case. It weighs just 0.25 pounds, making it easy to handle. Don't miss out on adding this must-have item to your Iron Maiden Funko Pop collection. Start or continue your display today. This officially imported collectible originates from Vietnam. It's a genuine piece for any serious fan. What we like. This collectible features the iconic Eddie from Iron Maiden, a must-have for any fan. It's a high-quality vinyl figure perfect for display. If you're a dedicated Iron Maiden fan or a collector of music memorabilia, this Funko Pop is an essential addition to your collection. What people say. Eddie looks great. The details are amazing. Like all Funkos, it is very well made and the detail is amazing. Eddie would definitely approve. Set Pop est un must-have. Number 1. Heavy metal rocker punk rock music hard rock t-shirt. Embrace the raw energy of rock with this iconic t-shirt. It's designed for those who live and breathe the music. This shirt is more than just clothing, it's a statement. Perfect for concerts, festivals, or just everyday wear. Experience the fusion of heavy metal power and punk rock attitude. This is the essential piece for any true fan. Made with comfort and style in mind, this tee lets you showcase your passion. Feel the music, wear the attitude. Add this must-have item to your collection. It's the perfect way to express your love for hard rock and all its subgenres. What we like. This t-shirt embodies the spirit of rock and roll with its bold design. It's perfect for expressing your love for heavy metal and punk rock. If you're looking to showcase your edgy style and passion for classic rock aesthetics, this shirt is a fantastic way to do it. What people say. The vinyl sounds amazing, clear and punchy. The artwork is fantastic, really captures the essence of the album. The packaging is top-notch, a great collector's item. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.